Hello, it's Dr. Pat with Little Critters, and we have Fortnite Battle Pass here today. And this is a little rescued mouse that's in for a neuter consultation. He's of unknown age, but he's clearly a young mouse. He's a little busy, but very sweet. And they intend to get other mice and keep a cohort, so they are going to neuter them. And this is pretty routine procedure. It does require general anesthesia and some experience in handling these little tiny guys, but it will make a difference overall in the cohort with reduction of fighting and hormonal behavior and helping with some of the odor that we can see in the male mice as well. But if I gently turn this Fortnite Battle Pass over, you can see we're definitely a male mouse. He really likes his little tube in general. There you go. One of the things you can do with these mice, and I've seen it with several of them, is train them to a little lick-it stick. You can get something like a little tongue depressor and put a little tiny bit of a treat on the end of it and actually hold it in front of them, and they get used to licking that. And we've been able to do full exams with these little guys actually holding still, which is kind of amazing because, as you see, they never sit still for more than a second. One thing I want to point out is they do have wood bedding in his carrier. We do not recommend wood bedding. Wood can release fumes that can be toxic, so we try to stay with paper bedding. There are different types of wood that are more toxic. Cedar tends to be the worst, but in general, stay with paper bedding. That's Fortnite, and we're going to get him scheduled in for his neuter. Important detail with the neuter is he will go home on pain meds, anti-inflammatories. That's very important and just a humane thing to do, even for these little tiny ones. And we keep the environment and the enclosure very clean after his surgery for a couple weeks while he heals. We do a scrotal neuter, and the sutures are all internal, so there's nothing on the outside. So a little incision right here, and they heal beautifully.